In a magical garden called Veggieville, every vegetable had a story to tell and a power to share. But one little boy named Timmy didn't like vegetables at all, until one day everything changed. Timmy wandered into the garden and met the Veggieville residents. Carrot, broccoli, and tomato introduced themselves, eager to share their special powers. Carrot explained, "I help you see in the dark. My vitamins keep your eyes strong and healthy." Timmy imagined being able to see stars at night more clearly. Broccoli flexed and said, "I'm packed with energy and strength. Eat me and you'll feel like a superhero." Timmy imagined lifting heavy toys with ease. Tomato added, "I make your skin glow and keep your heart healthy. You'll shine like the sun." Timmy imagined himself glowing brightly as he played with his friends. The veggies offered Timmy a taste. With a little courage, he took a bite. Suddenly, he felt amazing, full of energy and happiness. Timmy returned home and shared the secret of the veggies with his friends and family. They all joined him on the path to a healthier life. And so, Timmy learned that vegetables aren't just food. They're the key to feeling amazing and staying strong. Veggieville's magic can live in all of us.